Township becomes an exemplary township. Vanderkop becomes exemplary township where there are proper roads, where there is no sewer on the road, where they are flushing toilets, where there is clean water running through the taps of the people of Bujanala. We can't say that about Rustenburg. We can't say that about Getleng. Rare, huna limit habana metsi le makua west. Neretsi baba tubaba tuba chaba makua. Even whites in town don't have water. That's how corrupt this ANC is. It found an infrastructure in Brits in town, found infrastructure in Rustenburg in town. They could not maintain the infrastructure. Today, Riachwana ga ufela, auna umu betere, ebana ANC it's our makua IML line ga di bucket, ayonka metsi, ba metsi di traga ja ANC, ja metsi ja di corrupt, ja di metsi. We say to them, it is these corrupt people, Baba Etzangur, Tropo, Rustenburg, Eskaba, what we want it to be. Rustenburg, Brits, and all of those towns are supposed to be the richest towns. What made Johannesburg was a discovery of gold. The discovery of minerals here should have turned this town upside down. You are not supposed to go to Johannesburg. The gold is finished. The minerals are here now. Johannesburg was supposed to come here now because there are two things that makes a city. It's natural resources and mineral resources. So Cape Town does not have mineral resources. It's natural resources. It has got beautiful mountains. It has got a sea. Those are the things that makes a city. You've got platinum. You've got coal. You've got all types of minerals. Those are the things that must make you a beautiful city. You must attract the whole of South Africa and Africa to come to you because you've got what the world wants. But you can't get it because the ANC is in collaboration with the people who are stealing our minerals every day. Our workers were killed here in Marikana.